Good morning, children. The lesson number 10, equations, is going on with that. And in the previous lesson, we have learned how to solve an equation. So let's see some word problems on these equations. Okay. And these questions are from practice set 27. Question number 5. Haraba owns some sheep. After selling 34 of them in the market, he still has 176 sheep. How many sheep did Harba have at first? Okay, so write down the question. Okay, so Harba has some fish. Means we don't know how many ships did he have. Okay, but after selling 34 ships, he has 176 ships left with him. So you have to find how many ships did Harba have at first. Okay, so we don't know beta how many ships did he have. So for this unknown, we will take X. Okay, so solution answer is let X. X means the unknown quantity that we have to find. X is the number of ships did Harba have first. Now see children how the equation is formed. So total E first, he had X ships. After selling 34, means he had sold this, means we have to subtract it from the total number of ships. So after 34 selling in the market, he still has, means now he has, means after solving this, so we will put equality here. He had 176 ships with him. find the total number of sheep, that is the x. X is unknown number. See children, it becomes a simple linear equation. Got it, beta? Now to find the value of this x, we have to remove minus 34 from this side. So here you have to apply addition equality. Means you have to add plus 34 to both sides. X minus 34 plus 34 equals to 176 plus 30. Got it? Plus 34 minus 64 get cancel. What is left now? Only x is left. 6 plus 4, 10. So 210. So how many sheep did we have first? 210. Now see children, you can check your answer. Subtract 34 from this 210 and see whether the answer is 176 or not. So you can check your answer too. Got it, beta? Let's see the another example. Sakshi prepared some jam at home and filled it in bottles. After giving away 7 of the bottles of her friend, she still has 12 bottles for herself. How many bottles had she made in all? If she filled 250 grams of jam in each bottle, what was the total weight of the jam she made? Sakshi prepared after giving 7 bottles. So children, this question I am writing here in short. So after giving 7 bottles, she still has if she failed So I wrote this question in short. Actually, the question is quite lengthy. Sakshi prepared some jam. So how much jam she prepared? We don't know. So we will take X bottles of jam she prepared. After giving 7 bottles, so out of this X, she gave 7 bottles to her friend. He has now 12 bottles left with her. Now see children, and each bottle, the weight of each bottle is 250 grams. So you have to find out the total weight of bottle that she made. So for that children, we have to know the number of bottles she made. Okay. Plate. Now see children how the example is formed. X is the total number of bottles she made after giving 7 bottles. Means we have to subtract 7 from here. She left 12. She left means equals to 12. And X is the total number of bottles. So first we will find the total number of bottles. So see children, the equation is formed. So to find the value of this X, you have to remove -7 from this side. So apply addition equality on both the sides. -7 plus 7 and 12 plus X equals to plus minus with cancel. So how much total number of bottles? Okay, so 12 plus 7, 19 bottles. Got it? So she made She made 19 bottles of jam. Now see the second part of this question. If each bottle is filled with 250 grams of jam, so you have to find the total weight of the jam she made. So for that children, what to do? We will multiply this 19 bottles and 250. We will get the number total quantity or the weight of the jam. Total weight each bottle filled with 250 grams. Therefore, total weight multiplied by 2. 90 zeros are 0. 48. Sorry, 250, not 20. 250. 90 zeros are 0. 5, 7, and 4. 4750. 4750 gram. That is 4 kg 750 gram. So she made 4 kg 73 gram of jam. Got it, beta? I am giving you one question to solve, children, and you have to solve yourself. And try to solve this question. Archana bought some kilograms of wheat. She required 12 kg per month, and she got enough wheat meal for 3 months. After that, she had 14 kg left. How much weight had Archana bought all together? So this question is homework for you, and try to solve this question. Got it, beta? So here you have to take X for some kgs of it. X for the, let Archana bought X kilograms of wheat first. Okay. So here we are stop, children. Bye bye, beta.